In this video, we are going to talk about after-sales service. It is under Inv.II, after-sales service, and repair order. Here, you can make a list of the repair orders made. By pressing New, you can input the customer that requested the repair, the location of where it was found, and the progress, and the scheduled repair number, and customer name, and any other information that you can provide. So input the item code, the quantity, and hit save. Once you have saved, you can see them under the list, like so. And once you click the date number, you can always modify them or even delete them. The point here is that you can select them and email the repair order. And in order for it to be sent, you need to have a template. So when you press print, you can see the repair order receipt and the details. By pressing Option and Template Setup, you can add a new template and edit it to however your company needs it. You can also modify the input screen settings by pressing Option and Input Screen Setting. Choose that template and then add or hide any items that you don't need. The same is applied to the template on the repair order list page. Create a new template. You can add rows or you can delete columns. Additionally, you can press Option and then go to List tab Settings to add any stages that you need in your repair order. Therefore, once the receiving part is done, you can change the status of that repair order to repairing, delivering, or finished, depending on what you have made for your company. As you can see, the progress status has changed. With that in mind, you can also send them through email and then see the sent document history to keep track. Also, use the search feature to quickly find out about your repair order